Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments. Today we are going to see and to learn together how to ask a question in Arabic. So if you want to ask about something, not a person, about something, an object, for example, you say ma or ماذا. Ma. For example, ما اسمك? What's your name? ما اسمك? Or ماذا. For example, ماذا تريد? What do you want? ماذا تريد? ماذا تريد? What do you want? But if you want to ask about a person, you don't say ما or ماذا. Okay? You don't say what, you say who. من who. من صديقك المفضل? Who is your favorite friend? Friend is صديق, okay? المفضل, favorite. Who is your favorite friend? من هو صديقك المفضل? من. But if you want to ask about time, you say متى. When. متى ولدت أنت? When were you born? When were you born? متى ولدت? If you're asking a male, if you're asking a female, you say متى ولدتِ. Right? متى ولدت. To ask about place and say when, you say أين. Both of them end with n. When, أين, noon. Okay? أين مفاتيحي? Where are my keys? أين مفاتيحي? أين. Right? أين. But if you want to ask about manner and say how, كيف. How are you? كيف حالك? Okay? حالك, your situation. How is your situation? Okay? How are you? كيف حالك? كيف. Or how did you do? Or how did you do it? كيف فعلتها? كيف. And if you want to ask about the reason and say why, in Arabic you say لماذا. So you use the same thing. You use ماذا, but you add a lam at the beginning. لماذا. ماذا, what. لماذا, why. Okay? لماذا أنت لطيف معي? Why are you kind with me? If you are asking a male, if you are asking a female, you say لماذا أنت لطيفة معي? Why are you kind with me? Okay? لماذا أنت لطيف معي? لماذا أنت لطيفة معي? Right? And finally, if you want to ask about the possession and you say whose is this? For example, whose is this book? You say لمن هذا الكتاب? Whose is this book? لمن هذا الكتاب? Right? Thanks for watching all the video and thanks for your beautiful comments, your encouragement. See you later, inshallah, in the next video. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.